You cheeky little devil, you are stripping my broom. I bet you're building a nest. You cheeky little monkey. Look at that right outside my window. I daren't get any closer in case it flies away. He's pinching all the hairs out of it, all the... Oh, look at that. This is so funny. He's got a whole beak full. He's got a whole beak full. How much can he carry? This is so awesome. Oh yeah, you think Sunday morning that we sleep late, we won't notice you. Okay, and now where are you off to? I can see your mate sitting up here waiting. Yeah, is he having a turn? Oh my goodness. Can I have any more? You can't carry any more. You won't be able to fly. How much more do you need? My broom will be bare. Oh my giddy aunt. Yeah, go on. I won't have any broom left. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so weird. Oh my goodness. Surely, has he dropped it all now? Has he dropped it all? Yeah, I'm watching you. Oh, look at all that. I think he's going to build a whole village. Yeah, there's his mate is sitting here. Oh, yeah, it's all dropping down on the ground. I can see it fall. Look, if you're going to take it, use it to build, but don't just drop it everywhere. Oh, God. Oh, what a treat. It's just a... And he's got a mate just sitting up here, waiting, still waiting. Oh my goodness. Right, now let's see the damage that he's done. Oh, this is the broom that I sweep the balcony with. Oh, this lot's missing. Oh, and look at it here. Look at this. It's half my broom. It's hilarious. This is so funny. Well, it is a lovely day and I hope they have fun building their nest, but oh, most enjoyable.